Okay, this is a video on how to perform a disk defrag and a disk cleanup. So you go to your start button, and in the search box you type in defrag, and it's right here, disk defragment. So you click on that. Now this is Windows 7. Windows 7 is automatically set to run a scheduled a defragmentation 1 a.m. every Wednesday. It's scheduled to run on the 16th. That's the next time it's scheduled to run. So you can change this if you want and configure your schedule to run at a different time, if that's what you would like. It last ran yesterday. You can choose to analyze your disk, and that will tell you if you need to run it or not, or you can choose to do disk defragment your disk. And if you click on that, it'll start defragmenting your disk, and when it's done, it will be done. And then you just say OK and close it. So if I wanted to defrag my C drive, I would just click on that and it would do its little stuff in the background. So to do a disk cleanup, we'll try this. And that does come up. So you can type almost anything in that search box and get it. So, okay, so you want to select the drive that you want to clean up. I want to do my OS C drive. So you just say OK, and it starts doing its stuff. Now, you really want to do a disk cleanup before you do a defrag, because your disk cleanup will dump a bunch of your temp files and cookies and stuff, and defragment will reorganize your hard drive and get rid of all the fragmented parts of your hard drive and actually make it a little bit faster if it's bad. So once you run that disk cleanup, then you get this file right here. It tells you how much you have in places. If you are not sure about whether you want to delete something or not, you can click on it, and down here you can read the description of it that will tell you if it's yay or nay, whether it's okay to do it or not okay to do it. So you definitely want to do your temporary internet files, and you definitely want to do your recycle bin. Setup files are created by Windows. These temp files, you want to delete them, and they can be deleted. You can safely delete these temp files, so we're okay there. Thumbnails, Windows keeps a copy of all your pictures and videos and document thumbnails so they can be displayed quickly. If you delete these, it's just going to recreate them again, so there's really no sense in deleting them. This is error reports created within Windows, and so is this one. So we're going to check the temporary files. We're going to check the recycle bin. We are going to check the temporary internet files here, and then the downloaded program files. And we're going to say clean up system files, and if you do that, that will rescan and check your system files too, and then you'll have more things to choose from. So we have the service pack backup file that it put in there, and pretty much that was it. So once we've got what we want, then we just say OK, and it says, are you sure you want to do this, because it's going to permanently delete these files? Well, yes, you do want to do this, so you say delete files, and it cleans it up. There you go. That is done. So then you could go back to your disk defrag and defragment it if you wanted to. So if I defragment this, it's analyzing it. It's going to say, I don't know how long this will take. Sometimes it takes it a while, but just so you kind of have an idea, It shouldn't take too long because it just did it last night. But it just kind of shows you. So that gives you an idea of what it does, and it's going to go through its process, and then it will be done. So that's how you do that part, and hope you learned something.